How Telegram makes money. Telegram was launched in 2013 by two Russian brothers Nikolai and Pavel Tarov. It has more than 500 million monthly active users as of January 2021. But you will be surprised to know that company has not generated any revenue till now. It currently runs on donation. Its co-founder Pavel Tarov said that he has paid for the major expenses of the company from his personal savings. In December 2020, Pavel Tarov shared a message on his public Telegram channel revealing his plans to monetize the service. Here are some points as he said. We are not going to sell the company like the founder of WhatsApp. Telegram is here to stay for a long time. We will start generating revenue, but all the current free feature will be free forever and most users will hardly notice any change. There will be no ads in private or group chat. We will introduce our ad platform for public one-to-many channel. The owner of this big channel will also receive benefit from our ads, but user data will not be used to target ads. This is the Telegram way. Thank you and subscribe for more videos.